Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Ready to dive into a glass of sunshine? Because today we're going to bring a little bit of the tropics right into your home. Today we're whipping up a tropical detox juice that's bursting with flavor and goodness. Imagine the vibrant taste of fresh pineapple, the sweetness of ripe mango, and the tangy zest of oranges all coming together in one refreshing drink. It's the perfect way to refresh, recharge, and give your body a healthy boost. Just one sip and you'll feel like you're on a tropical vacation. This juice isn't just about deliciousness, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for keeping your body in top shape and your immune system strong. Whether you're craving a healthy start to your day or a midday pick-me-up, this tropical blend is here to make you feel amazing. It's like a burst of energy and health in every glass. So grab your ingredients and let's get started on this tropical adventure. We'll be using fresh pineapple, juicy mango, a hint of ginger for that extra kick, and some mint to add a refreshing touch. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. So let's blend up some sunshine and enjoy every sip of this delightful tropical detox juice. Before we start chopping, let's meet the stars of our juice. The ingredients that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also supercharge your health. Pineapple. This tropical delight is a powerhouse of vitamin C, boosting your immunity and giving you glowing skin. Its sweet and tangy flavor is just the beginning, plus it helps with digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Mango, sweet and juicy. Mango is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C. This golden fruit not only tastes like a tropical vacation, but also supports your immune system and eye health. It's like sunshine in a fruit. The vibrant color and luscious texture make it a perfect addition to any juice. Spinach, don't let its green color fool you. Spinach blends in perfectly, adding a boost of iron and vitamins. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, folate, and magnesium. You won't even taste it. Its mild flavor makes it an easy addition to any juice, enhancing the nutritional profile without overpowering the taste. Ginger, a little ginger goes a long way. This spicy root is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce nausea and muscle pain. It adds a zingy kick and helps soothe your stomach. Ginger's unique flavor and health benefits make it a must-have in any detox juice. Coconut water. Naturally hydrating and full of electrolytes, coconut water replenishes your body after a workout or a long day. It's like nature's sports drink, helping to keep you refreshed and energized. Now for the fun part, prepping our ingredients. Pineapple. Chop off the top and bottom, slice off the skin and cut the pineapple into chunks. Mango. Slice the mango lengthwise on either side of the seed. Score the flesh in a crisscross pattern and scoop it out with a spoon. Spinach. Give it a good rinse and remove any tough stems. Ginger, peel a small knob of ginger using a spoon. Roughly chop it. Remember, the key is to have fun. Put on some music, dance around your kitchen and enjoy the process. Section 4, blending magic. Unleash the tropical goodness. Time to bring it all together. Add your chopped pineapple, mango, spinach, and ginger to your blender. Pour in a cup of refreshing coconut water. Now, put that blender to work. Blend on high speed until you get a smooth, vibrant juice. You can add a splash more coconut water if needed. And there you have it. Your tropical detox juice is ready to be enjoyed. Section 5, your taste, your rules, flavor tweaks. Want to customize your tropical paradise? Let's dive into some exciting ways to make your tropical detox juice uniquely yours. Here are some ideas. Extra zing. Add a squeeze of lime or a pinch of cayenne pepper. This will give your drink a refreshing kick and a bit of heat that can wake up your taste buds. Tropical twist. Toss in a few slices of banana or a handful of your favorite berries. Bananas add a creamy texture and natural sweetness, while berries bring a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Creamy dream. Blend in a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for a thicker, smoothie-like texture. These seeds not only thicken your juice, but also add a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Pour your juice into a glass, add a straw and take a sip. Feel the smooth, rich texture and the vibrant flavors dancing on your palate. Feel the tropical vibes transport you to a happy place. Imagine yourself on a sunny beach, the waves gently crashing and the warm breeze caressing your skin. So, there you have it. A delicious and healthy tropical detox juice that's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. It's a perfect way to start your day or to refresh yourself anytime. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing how you make these recipes your own. Don't forget to share your creations with me on social media. Snap a photo of your tropical juice and tag me. Happy blending and enjoy your tropical escape.